Hi everyone, welcome to US Immigration Hub channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to file new version of Form I-765, which is application for employment authorization. This new version will expire on the February 28, 2027. Just keep in mind that USCIS updated a lot of forms. Do not file old version that expire in 2025. File a new version that expire on 2027. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. First of all, I am not an attorney. I am here to help you based on the experience I have with this form and also based on the instruction that comes with it. So if you're ready, let's get started. As I mentioned, this is a new version of Form I-765 that expires on the February 28, 2027. So the top part right here is for USCIS use only. Do not touch it. The bottom part is for an attorney or accredited representative if you use any. These two parts basically do not touch them. For us, we're gonna start where it says start here. Type or print in black ink. You can do both. You can type. When you print it, you can print something with black ink, but do not correct anything that was typed. So now let's go to part one. Reason for applying. First, I am applying for select only one. For us, it's gonna be option 1A, which is initial permission to accept employment. There is a 1B, I'm not gonna talk about it, replacement of lost, stolen, or damaged employment. And we have 1C, renewal of my permission to accept employment. So for us, we're gonna do initial permission to accept employment. We're gonna go straight to part two. Information about you, your full name, the person filing this form, family name, it's Baker, given name is Liban, and middle name is Inay. Other names used. Provide all other names you have ever used, including aliases, middle name, and nicknames. If you need extra space, complete this section. Use the space provided in part 6, additional information. If you see, I put Inay, but once I print it, I'm going to add a slash with a black ink right here. Do not use any other color, only black. So we'll start talking about part 2, information about you. So your US mailing address, in care of name, it's Baker Sliman. Street name and street number and name is 100 Robert Run. City or town, Indianapolis. State, Indiana. And the zip code is 46254. Is your current mailing address the same as your physical address? In my case, is yes. If you selected no, you must enter it right here where it says US physical address. Other information, which is number 8, alien registration number, A number. If you have one, you can add it right here. I want to share with you for people know they have. If it's right here. If you filed a petition before, for example, K3 visa, you will have A number right here. You can see this one, the beneficiary has A number. Or if you have a green card, you will have A number as well right here. So just give you some examples for different people. So we go back to our form. For USCIS online account number, you will have it only if you filed the petition before and your receipt number starts with IOE number. That means you have USCIS online account number. If you have it, you put it right here. If you don't have it, leave it blank. So 10, gender, a male, marital status, married. Have you previously filled Form I-765? In my case is no. Has the Social Security Administration ever officially issued a Social Security card to you? In my case is no. If you answered no, to item number 13A, which is this one right here, skip to item number 14. If you answered yes to item number 13, provide the information requested in item number 13B. So for us, we're going to go straight to 14 because we don't have a social security number. So here, number 14, do you want the SSA to issue your social security card? You must answer yes. It will save you a trip to go to the social security office. So if you answered no to item number 14, skip to part 2, item number 18A. If you answered yes to item number 14, you must also answer yes to item number 15. So we did. So basically, you authorize the Social Security Administration to require the purpose of us assigning me a SSN and issuing me a Social Security card. It is good to do this because they will send you your Social Security card to the address you provide to them. So, father's name, that's for the person filing this form. Provide your father's name, family name, Burshi, given name Ali, and the mother's name, it's Baba, and the given name is Fatima. The same question they're gonna ask you when you go to the office, Social Security office. Same question. So they're gonna ask you for a father's name and a mother's name. So now we're gonna go to your country or countries of citizenship or nationality. They told you here, list all the countries where you are currently a citizen or national. If you need extra space to complete this item, you use the space provided in Part 6 additional information. In my case, only one citizenship, it's Morocco. If you have multiple, you can add it right here, 18B. Place of birth, list the city, town, village, state, province, and country where you were born. In my 19A, city, town, village of birth is Kenifra. It's wrong right here. It's Kenifra. State, province of birth is Kenifra. The country of birth is Morocco. And date of birth is January 1st, 1980. Now we're gonna go information about your last arrival in the United States. If you have Form I94 arrival departure record number, you can add it right here. And if you can see it, I can show it right here. This is how we get it. First, I want to talk about it because a lot of people, they don't know how to get it. So how to access and print your lawful record of admission I94 form. If you were recently proceeded as undocumented, non-citizen, or traveler with an alien registration number, follow the instruction to print your I94 form for this website. If someone requests your admission information, this is the form you will provide. So basically, just you go here to this website right here, you accept, acknowledge, and you enter your information right here, first name, last name, date of birth, select your month of birth, and enter year of birth, and enter your A number and the citizenship, then click next. Your country of citizenship is not available in the drop-down menu. Select other, and you enter 3 letters country code in the field that displays. So we go right here. This is your most recent I94. Once you click OK, it is gonna show like this. This is your I94. This is your I94 right here number. If you can see it, admission I94 record number. This is your number right here that's asking for. You can enter it right here. Then your passport is WC, and then travel document. We don't have it. Country that issued your passport. In my case is Morocco. WS right here. We have expiration date for passport or travel document. It's at January 1st, 2028. Date of your last arrival into United States, or on or about, is January 1st, 2020. Place of your last arrival into United States is JFK, New York. So the immigration status at your last arrival, for example, B2, visitor, F1 student, or no status. In my example is K3. Same thing, 25 is K3. If you are 26, if you are a student and exchange visitors, information systems, number, if any, you enter it right here. Now we're gonna go to information about your eligibility category. Eligibility category refers to whom may file Form I-65 section of the Form I-765 instruction to determine the appropriate eligibility category for this application. Enter the appropriate letter and number for your eligibility category below. For example, I'm going to show you my example right here. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm sorry, I got right here instruction. For K3 visa, it's A9. The category, it's A9. I know we have a lot. For K1 example, A6. And for family unity program is A13. So I'm doing example for K3. So it's going to be A9. So go back over here. That's A9. And the other one, so when 28, I'm not going to do that. So it does not apply for me. If you enter eligibility category A3C item number, provide the information request item number. It depends what you select right here. You must provide more information. So for us, it's A9. So we're gonna go now to part 3, which is applicant's statement, contact information, declaration, certification, and signature. If you fill this petition, if you fill this application by yourself as the person preparing this form, you can check 1A. I can read and understand English, and I have read and understand every question and instruction of this application, and may answer to every question. Then you enter applicant contact information, applicant mobile phone number, and applicant email address. And then use A, you select this box only if you are a Salvadorian or Guatemalan national eligible for benefit under ABC settlement agreement. So I'm going to go straight to 7B, date it. I'm not going to sign it until I print it. Once I print it, I'm going to sign it with a black ink. Do not initial it or print your full name. Basically, write your full name. It must be a signature with a black ink. I want to go back right here. Now, let's assume that somebody prepared this form for you. You're going to put the prepare right here. Just an example. Somebody prepared for you is it's Bushi Ali. That's the person prepared this form for you. I'm not going to touch the part 4 interpreters contact information, but if you have it, you can, if somebody helped you to interpret this form, you can add or her information right here. I'm going to talk only about the prepare. Now we're going to go part 5, contact information, declaration, and signature of the person preparing this application if other than the applicant. It's prepare, last name, it's Bushi, and the prepare's given name, it's Ali, and the prepare business, I don't have it, so it's going to be 10 Robert Run, Indianapolis. State is Indiana. And the zip code is 46254. And the country is USA. Prepare contact information is 317 333. Prepare mobile phone number is 317. And at Gmail. Now here, prepare statement. You have two options: if he's an attorney or just a regular person like me. I am not an attorney or accredited representative, but have prepared this application on behalf of the applicant and with the applicant's consent. So here you're gonna date it, today's date, and then the prepare sign it once this form is printed. Sign it with a black ink. Do not initial it or print your full name, write your full name. It must be a signature with a black ink. Now let's go to filing fee. So the filing fee for I765 application for employment authorization will depend on the category that you selected. The general filing is $520 if you do it by paper version, and $470 online. If you fill form I-45 application to register, which is adjustment of status, is $260, no difference. As you can see here, same price for paper version fee, 520, 470. You're gonna go through this. I'm not gonna go through all of them. Just I wanna give you the fees of this form I765. It will depend which category you select, but the general filing is 520 for paper version and 470 for online pay for online. Now let's go to supporting document, checklist. So as well will depend which category you select. I'm not going to go through all of them. Just I give you just general requirement: a copy of your Form I94 arrival departure record, front back, or printout, or printout of your electronic Form I94, your passport or other travel document, a copy of your last employment authorization document, 2 identical passport style photographs, Form G28 if you are represented by attorney or accredited representative. If you were not previously issued an EAD, a copy of government issued identity document. So if you are in this category, or as I mentioned, it will depend which category. The checklist will depend which category that you selected. Now let's go where to file. Where to file is right here. So it as well will depend which option you selected. For example, replacement for card error, it will be sent to this address right here, which is USCIS Lease Summit Production Facility, or this address right here. If you need to replace card we issue to you because if you contain correct information that is due to a USCIS error, you can send it to this. So you gotta go through this because it has multiple addresses. It will be based on the option you selected. If you are asylum, refugee, and other spouses and children, you will go right here. So as I mentioned, I'm not going to go through all of them. So just to give you a hint on how to find where to send your application once you're done with it. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.